What's good? This your man Chef iETEF, live and direct from Plantega. This is what we're gonna do today. We're gonna make Beyond Nachos. This right here consists of Beyond beef. We're gonna use onions, dried chilies, bell pepper to mix with that as it's sauteed. We're gonna chop up this. So, alright, we're gonna let this one brown up. Then we're gonna take cashews, nutritional yeast. This is about a cup. Bell pepper. And it's about a whole onion. Or you can use a half, depending on how much onion you really like. You know? Got pink salt, maybe like a tablespoon, and then some onion powder, about a tablespoon of that. So we're gonna do about a cup to start. I'm looking for it to brown up a little bit, like on this edge. I'm gonna give it some time. I got that heat high.
Bring a bag with it, roll it to the stop. Bring a straw.
Let's add a little, if you have taco seasoning or if you have chili powder, that's what you want to add. Turn the heat off. Alright, next thing we're going to do is make it nice. It's going to be about, get you some organic chips. Put the sprouts throughout that. Just a little bit on that. Just need some red, right?
This is probably some of the best vegan cashew cheese of all time. Hands down.
Try that at home, tell a friend, keep it jazzy, keep it cool, and make sure you follow Eat Plantega, especially for Veganuary if you're trying to start it for the beginning. One love.